Hello guys and welcome to Martin's Hacks, and every week I'm giving away $150 to my subscribers. So this means guys that 3 of you have a chance to win $50 each, and if you are interested to participate then follow the following steps. Hello guys and welcome to Martin's Hacks, and today we are going to review Remittancetoken.io. As you see, this is the website for this project guys. If you are interested, come in, check this out for yourselves. As always, all links will be in description of my video, so as in first comment of this video. Myself, I find this project very interesting and with a huge potential, and this is also being built on blockchain technology. But before I dive in even to reviewing this project guys, as always, my videos are not financial advice. On my channel I'm reviewing projects which myself I find interesting, and Remco or Remittancetoken project is very interesting and it is highly rated on upcoming websites, upcoming ICO listing websites. Here it is rated 4.9 out of 5, 4.43. This is very highly rated project. Remco token crowd sale is on. If you are interested, you can come in and participate in this crowd sale, and for this Remittancetoken coin's name will be Remco, R-E-M-C-O guys, and this is how it will be listed on cryptocurrency exchanges in future. And currently they are in pre-ICO guys, and private sale has finished already. It has been sold out. Now there is pre-ICO, and then there will be 2 rounds, like public round and public round 2. If you are interested, come in and check this out. And this is a partner company that is launching Remco guys, and this company actually has already lots of different customers. They have about 3.6 million of customers, and I will dive in straight away into their white paper. White paper you can find here, and you can find actually white paper in many different languages: English, Spanish, Russian, Indonesian, Portuguese, Chinese, Korean, French, and so on and so forth, which you don't see with any other or many other ICO projects guys, because they usually have their white paper in 1 or maximum 2-3 languages, where this project is in many is translated, or white paper is translated in many different languages guys. So let's jump into the white paper. White paper is huge, and this is distributed token generating platform for money transfers guys, and this is backed by blockchain technology for money transferring. And white paper and the project CEO and CTO is Peter Ojo, and Joel Patenaude is CEO and Remco Software Incorporation, and this is already a working project. And as you can see guys, they have already numbers of users, 3.6 million, and number of agents, and you will understand in a second why these agents are needed and how they were working on simple fiat system or simple transfer system, and what this project is trying to achieve here. And number of merchants 5,900, and transaction volume from 2016 to 2017 was 695 million guys. And they have been keeping this ICO and pre-ICO for a while because there were this big crash in this Bitcoin and so on and so forth, and they decided to wait out and start these pre-ICOs and pre-sales and ICOs and the first rounds of ICOs just now guys. And the 16 relationships and global connections they have with the major financial transfer companies, as you see, like fiat transfer companies, Western Union, like both Revolution, Transfast, and so on and so forth. So these are all financial companies which are dealing with money transfers, with money, with debit cards, credit cards, and so on and so forth. And this is, like I mentioned guys, already existing company which is now moving to blockchain technology for these transactions. And there's much more information. Come in, check this out, white paper for yourself. I will not be diving into everything of this project because obviously I will not have time to do so, and this white paper is very huge. It's almost 60 pages long as well. Very huge, depending in comparison with other ICOs which we have been previewing. So guys, Here is introduction to remittance token. Since the advent of international remittances, much has changed and much has stayed the same. Also, current attention is largely being given to purely digital remittance industry distributors. For the vast majority of senders, physical agent network is very vital to the overall process. Even with the advent of online money transfers, a remittance company cannot be competitive at scale without good network of agents. Agents help the remittance service providers by providing a public face to sender and recipients of money in their communities. Agents collect money and submit transaction details using the system provided by the remittance organization. They initiate money transfers. So agents pretty much initiate their money transfers. However, now when they are going to build this whole system into blockchain technology, the purpose of agents will be totally different, as you will see in a second, guys. I will read you just these couple of lines so you have a better understanding about how this works. And VTN Global Incorporation, this is pretty much the company which is already existing in United States, proposes to reinvent this process. Agents will be there, but their duties will change from their long-standing role of collecting money and sending the value using the system provided by the remittance organizations. Agents will now activate scratch cards in exchange for cash, guys, which behind the scenes transfers to the purchaser on one or more token of predefined value. This value is digital good funds, guys, and ready for onward transfer for recipients. These good funds are different from other forms of payments such as credit cards, which are subject to reveals and chargebacks, making the probabilistic rather than guarantee. And with the digital fund on tokens controlled by the customer, the transfer process moves online and includes the possibility of splitting the total value between multiple recipients. In early pilot testing, this has been a very heavily used feature. A high percentage of purchasers divide the fund amongst 3 or more recipients, guys. And like I mentioned, guys, this is a huge white paper. You can come in and check more information out for yourself, but here is the graphs. There is a lot of graphs which are describing how this particular process will work, and this is like coin remittance transaction flow. Payment partner make a request for white label coins, and this is how it works. And here is the agent request for coin, and sender of money pays agent for coin, and sender of money proceeds to use coin to send money partial or entire value, guys. And so here sender of money receives a coin back, and coin security vetting native value converting to local currency and revealed by a local bank via payout partner API, guys. And as you see, there are banks which also will be included. So what we are looking at here is that here will be a cryptocurrency or pretty much a blockchain technology used behind money transfer, and this will be all happening seamlessly to customer, guys. And this is rather huge because most of customers or most of people who are still not in cryptocurrencies in our days, they find it rather difficult or rather technical, and that's exactly the reason why they are not joining cryptocurrencies, because when they see, for example, private key or address, and which is hash, they get scared, or they think that this requires a lot of technical knowledge, where this project provides money transfer on blockchain technology but seamless to end customer, and so on and so forth. And there's much more information. Come in and look yourself, guys. Remittancetoken purpose: the token address will store the value and thus replace the traditional card pins or numbers, because a token's long address may not be practical due to the realities of the limitations of mobile phones and computer gadgets. The token address is linked to a set of random integers and other identifiable attributes that will be either handed over the buyer underneath the UV ink scratch of surface on card, or transmitted to their phone in real time, guys. So yes, me myself, I find this project is the huge use case. They already, like I mentioned at the very beginning, the private sale has been sold out, and currently they are already in pre-sale, and currently one token costs only 6 cents, guys. And in this pre-sale round, they are going to sell, or they are selling only 200 million tokens, guys. If you are interested, and this is with you can get 35% bonus, and here in private sales bonus was 50%, but this is the last round when you are able to get bonus. For example, for those as always who don't know how bonuses work, for example, if you are buying 1000 tokens, you will be getting above those 1000 tokens 35%, which means that you will be getting 1350 tokens if you buy 1000 tokens, and so on and so forth. If you buy 10,000 tokens, you will be getting 13,500 tokens. So this is the last round or pre-ICO where you can get 35%, and there's much more information. Like I said, I find this project very interesting, and there is the huge amount of information what to review. You can check here their wallet, the platform, our official wallet. The current mobile application is based on the stored value card as means of remittance, which is currently live and under regulatory supervision in 2 USA states, guys, or United States. So this is already working project. Like I mentioned, you can come in, check this out for yourself, how this works, this application, and so on and so forth, guys. So yes, this was pretty much my short introduction, because this project is so huge, guys, and review of this project. Come in and check this out. Like I mentioned, all links will be in description of my video. So as if you found it useful, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in my other videos.